It's the month of love, Valentine's Day around the corner, and plenty to purchase to show your undying love for your partner at your supermarkets. But why not get creative and do something personal? And I'm going to show you exactly how. This brush is red, and a box I'm going to paint. That's what I said. No, it won't be blue, but red to say, I love you. With a romantic quotation behind us, I've got a wood glue primer, some red paint, a ready-made filler, and some varnish. I've made an economical primer for this superwood box, and it's wood glue mixed with about 30 to 40% water, stirred well, and I'm going to brush apply this as my economical base coat. So this mixture is a nice economical primer. It blocks the pores, the porosity of the superwood. So when you put your paint onto this box, it's not going to keep on sucking up into the timber. And especially the sides of superwood is quite porous, so this blocks that. So it's an excellent primer coat for superwood. And once I've done painting this box, I will then leave it for about an hour to dry, and then we'll start painting our Valentine red. Hamilton's professional brush. I think of it as being red, Ferrari red, a premium quality blended bristle for the highest quality finish. And it's to be used with water and solvent based paints and wood treatments. Premium bristle, that means smooth, even finish. And it has a high volume bristle content for multiple paint applications. And it's rust resistant stainless steel ferrule for the discerning craftsman. So the color is actually called atomic red, not platonic love, but atomic. And we're going to give it 2 coats of the red. And once that's done, we're going to do a little bit of a raised stencil just to give it a little bit of character. I'm pigmenting the filler with a little bit of white PVA craft acrylic paint, a water-based paint. I'm just mixing it in. So my filler is pre-colored. I'm then going to take some cardboard and just smear it over my stencil that I've stuck down with the blue masking tape. After about an hour, I removed the masking tape and just pulled it off the base of the lid. And there we go, a little bit of a raised stencil. And guys, when it's dry, you can put more filler on if you want to raise the height of the stencil. And while I was at the store, I got some sweet treats to put into the box of love. The final step to love is a water-based varnish just to seal. And the reason why I'm using a water-based varnish, because it dries quickly. You can put 3 coats on, 30 minutes between coats. And I used a matte paint, so that's why I'm putting a water-based sealer over it. And I wanted to seal over the filler stencil as well. And it's going to be nice and washable. And so ends a romantic and perfect finish. Please like, subscribe, and show us love.